Hello learners, welcome to the course e-assessment. In this video, I am going to show you how to download the free open source software Hard Potatoes and how to develop questions by using the same. Now just type Hard Potatoes in a Google and this will appear, and just click Hard Potatoes homepage. This is the homepage of Hard Potatoes. Just click on this. This will download the app. Once you download, see, just now I downloaded the app. It is downloaded, so it's set up Hard Potatoes 7.0. Just after you download, just open. Now it appears like this. Just select yes, and language is here. Just OK, give OK, and just select next, accept the agreement, and next, next, and next. Wherever you want to have the location, just select it and just next. Okay, then install. So actually the app is, the software, free open source software is downloading. So once you download, now you finish it. Now the Hard Potatoes, this is the Hard Potato window. So if you want to use English as your interference, just choose English. So this is the Hard Potato page. Now we are going to see how to use the apps one by one. Okay, there are, see the provisions here, just jQuiz, jclose, jcross, jmix, jmatch, and the masher. These are the 6 options available in Hard Potatoes. Now I'll show you how to generate quizzes by using jQuiz. Just click jQuiz. A separate window will appear. Just select the beginner mode. So it is the window. Now we are going to give, see, this is the title bar. Now we are going to give the title for the quiz. Let us type India. Okay. Now this is question Q1 is question 1. Just type the questions, which is the capital city of India. Okay, so answer New Delhi, Chennai, Lucknow, and Simla. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Just select the correct answer. If you want to have a question with multiple answers, you can select like this. Okay, so this I said the correct answer. Now you have to, we have to go to the next question. Just select this. The next question is here. What is the name of the mountain in the northern side? Himalayas, Alps, Mount Hills, and Ranjan Hills. So just select the answer. So like that we can add questions. The next question we can add. What question we can add? What is the name of the national flower? Maybe jasmine, lily, rose, and lotus. So what is the correct answer? Just select the correct answer. So there are options like short answer you can select, hybrid answer you can select, multi select, like I told you, like multiple answers, question with multiple answers you can select. So like that we can select. Now we are going to save the question. Okay, just save the question. Zquest. Just be aware of the location where you are saving. It is I'm saving in hot potatoes. The file name is quiz. Okay, save. And the very important thing is, better you save it as a web page. Okay, just save it as a web page. This like spider like structure is to save the quiz as a web page. Now save. Okay, so we have saved it as a quiz. Now that hot potato itself is showing the option to view the exercise in our browser. Okay, so this is how the quiz will appear in the browser. Okay, just the question, everything, New Delhi, so 100%, and the questions, one of the three questions we have attended. And if you want to show all the questions, we can select and we can show the type the answers one by one. Okay, we have finished the quiz. So this is how it is going to appear in the browser. Now I'll show you how to upload this quiz what we have created in our Google Classroom. Nowadays we are using Google Classroom, right? So just go to Google Classroom, go to your classroom, just select the class in which you want to upload the quiz. Just select classwork, create, assignment, and just type quiz because we are going to upload quiz, and add file, upload file. We have saved in hot potatoes, right? There is a folder called hot potatoes. Just go to that file and choose this one, quiz web file. Okay, just open. It is uploading, the file is uploading. Now it is here. How it will appear to your students? No, you can assign, the students can view the file. Once how it will be viewed by the student, just click on this. Once the student click on the file, it will appear like this only. Okay, don't worry. So it will be full of coding, HTML page, like that it will appear. But don't worry, this is the appearance the students will get. But don't worry, just ask them to download it. Once they download, they can view. See, after download, just let them click on this. See, they can see the question and they can attempt the quiz. This is how you can create and upload the quiz you have created in the Google Classroom by using hot potatoes. Okay, so hot potatoes, we have seen how to create quiz in hot potatoes. In upcoming videos, I will show you. I'll show you how to create the other options, questions by using hot potatoes. Thank you. I hope you learn how to create hot potatoes quizzes by using hot potato software, which is an open source software. It is free of cost. Even you can take a printouts of what you have developed. Okay, so just you can take a printout of what you have developed. Okay, see, export for printing, you can export this file for printing. Okay, so like that you can make use of this. You can develop quizzes, and for free of cost you can upload the same in the Google Classroom also. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning.